All fields have options to perform a search and replace on their content. This is very useful and allows advanced manipulation of the field content. Let's start with a simple example. I have mapped the post title to the content field. In this case, it's Alpha Design. Now let's search for string design. And since the replacement string is empty, the word design disappears. If I enter agency as a replacement, it will be substituted. You can also enter a regular expression to search for. There is already a predefined search pattern, which will remove the HTTPS protocol from an URL if the replacement string is left empty. This allows you to link to an external page and display a shortened URL with just one custom field. For example, let's use it for a URL of my company's website. And as you can see, the HTTPS protocol is removed. Mind that the regular expressions have to be enclosed between slashes and the replacement strings may contain references.